Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Marie. If you're new, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video of mine. This channel will only be talking about my journey on Etsy and what I've learned, tips, do's and don'ts. Today I'm going to be talking about a little bit about what my Etsy store is going to be about and steps I've taken so far. So I am going to be having like an apparel store on Etsy. So I'm going to be having some clothing and some things like phone cases, mouse pads, mugs, etc. Things like that. That's what I'm planning on doing. Mostly clothes though. I hired somebody to do my design. So I'm going to be focusing on that. When I hired somebody to do my design, they kind of hemmed and hawed about it, and when they did finish some of it, they only finished half of it, and they were very nonchalant and wasn't taking it seriously. So I had to cancel the order with that person and then try with somebody else. And that other person, who's an artist, said that they wanted me to charge them, they wanted me to pay extra. I think it was like a 50% more of money than what they were saying that they would charge. So I didn't do it with them. It took me about 2 months until I found the right person that could do the design that I want, the way I want it to look for the price, and somebody who actually does the painting and doesn't hem and haw about it. So if you're hiring somebody to make your design, that's something to keep in mind. Don't think it's only going to take like a week or something to complete, because it does take quite a while to get the design done, because it takes a long time to find that right person for your design, and it also takes a long, little while for them to make it. And then there's going to be changes that you'll probably want made on the design. So the one who I did, the one that I hired to do mine, she did a really great job on the first time. There was just some color changes that I needed to be done, and that took about 3 extra tries until she got it done. So that prolongs it about another week or 2. But that's something to keep in mind. Patience is definitely necessary, and perseverance, and don't give up, because I'm learning, the journey's just beginning, and we don't want to give up before it even gets started. So that's definitely something I bring up. Be patient, wait. If you're thinking about, making an Etsy account and you want somebody to draw your design, make sure that you're planning way in advance. So let's say that you want something created 3 to 4 months from now, and you want your Etsy store done. I would prepare about 3 to 4 months prior to that, because it does take a very long time. I'm learning that, and then it'll give you leeway so then you won't be rushed and crammed. So that's something that I've definitely learned. I'm going to be using Printful for my design. I'm getting in the process of that. So my next video is going to be talking about using Printful. I will let you guys know if I was happy with the product, with how it was designed, how it was put on, if the image was clear enough, and things like that. So that's what I'm going to be talking about next. I hope you found this video helpful for you. If it was, please give it a big thumbs up. And again, if you haven't already, please subscribe so you will get more videos just like this on my channel. Thanks everyone.